So, heart rate variability and anxiety. Basically, there are studies that show that if you have anxiety, you are more likely to have lower heart rate variability. And that's thought to be due to how anxiety impacts or interacts with the autonomic nervous system. And basically, your nervous system is more likely to be upregulated, and your parasympathetic nervous system is more likely to be downregulated. And so, basically, that can lead you to have faster heart rates, more abnormal heartbeats like premature beats, or even abnormal heart rhythms. And so it's important, to think about those things that it's mind body together and not just anxiety, that occurs in your head, but it also impacts your heart and other parts of the body too. And so what improves heart rate variability are similar to what would work for anxiety as well. Things like cardiac exercise help increase your heart rate variability, as well as eating healthy, so less ultra processed or unhealthy carbs, because that increases inflammation, as well as having more fruits and vegetables that have naturally occurring electrolytes in them, as well as antioxidants and other, vitamins and minerals. And then also making sure you get enough sleep, and having your circadian rhythms aligned. So sleeping at, similar times and at nighttime every day and seeing morning sunlight. All of those things can help your heart rate variability in your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system, as well as with anxiety. And also, very important is stress management, and that impacts your heart as well. Stress management does. And so, that can be a much harder thing to work on, stress management, but keep trying. A lot of times you try one thing, like you may try deep breathing, and that doesn't work for you, but maybe something different like box breathing or alternate nostril breathing will work. Maybe you tried mindful meditation and it didn't work, but guided meditation or Vipassana meditation. There's a lot of different things to try: aromatherapy, sound baths. There's a lot of, yoga, massages. There's a lot of different things to try for stress meditation. For stress management, but it's important to keep trying because it is a mind body connection. So, what puts stress on your mind also puts stress on your heart. And so it's important to keep trying different things, even though, you may have to go through a lot of things. It can be frustrating, but it's worth keeping on trying to keep on trying. And those things will help improve your heart rate metrics, like your heart rate variability as well.